This is inside the store in Thailand. Muay Thai. Yeah, it's live. Muay Thai. This is the apparel store next door to the event. All the Muay Thai official. Muay Thai official. You know, got it from the kids to the, got all the belts. You know, Max Muay Thai gear, pads, everything. Got all the belts. Working the bag. Yeah, man, the next champion. Yeah, she can work the glass. So yeah, I mean, that's how it is in Thailand, you know? Checking out this fight. About to go to the arena, walking through. Yeah. And this place is really cool. So, if you ever come to Thailand, want to check out an official Muay Thai boxing match, there's 3 matches. So like the show starts every day, but there's 3 matches, starts at like 7:15 p.m. here in Thailand. And the tickets are like 1,500 baht. Last year they were a lot cheaper, they're like 1,200, but things that went up in price here in Thailand. So just a little bit more, but it's worth it. So they'll be letting us walk in a little while, and I'll walk you guys through, you know, actually walking in, just kind of get the whole experience of what it's like to be here, you know. It's a big deal. As you can see, there's a lot of people that come out to support the Thai fighters. So, to just give you an idea, this is like the daily schedule. So, as you can see, let's say daily scheduled fight. So anytime, you know, you want to know who's going to be fighting, just check it out here, you know, and then that's the ticket center right there. So buy your tickets, look it up like that. Or you can do it online. I did it online actually. And then you can just come, they have a stand, take photos. Sometimes they have some of the fighters out here, and you can actually take photos with the actual fighters before they perform. So it's really cool, man. I recommend it to anyone looking to have a fight if you're into Muay Thai, but even if you're not, just part of the cultural experience here in Thailand. It's actually in Pattaya, so it's real cool. This is like my 3rd time coming, and man, the fighters really put their heart into it. You know, they're really dedicated to the craft, so it's good. It's really good. So, what's up, man? You just chilling? Here with my man Jay from New York. You know, we're out here chilling, yeah. Checking out the fight, you know what I mean? That's what it is. But they should be letting us go in. in a little while. These are the doors that it's in, so I'm just standing here waiting so I can just walk you guys through, give you the full experience of, you know, from the time of checking in our tickets to actually walking in through the gates. So, yeah, so as you can see, quite a bit of people here. Man, yes, we're lined up, ready to check it out. So as you can see,